Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ohi alarm clock finger game. This we got for my 3-year-old daughter, who is really starting to get into numbers and counting and trying to understand time and how that works. And we really wanted to focus on starting to get her into mathematics and how to add and subtract and what these numbers actually mean. And I got this because I really liked the visual that it gives your child on numbers and counting and how to use your fingers and all of that stuff. And it just comes with a lot of really cool things that have been helpful. First of all, this little finger game is so fun just for my daughter to play around with. She knows how to hold up a number 2, and now she can figure out how to do it with this little Velcro hand, to say okay, have this hand hold up a number 2. So then it would hold up a 2. And it comes with these little flashcards. So if you want to say okay, this is our next card, 5 plus 2, let's write that out. So what you would do is find your number 5 and then your plus or minus here, and then you would find a 2. So they're front and back, so they don't have a number for every block, but this way you can do this and understand how it works. So we just mimicked this card, which is 5 plus 2. So we did 5 plus 2. And I think the point and what the intention is for the hands is to mimic the number. So we want to make a 5 plus a 2 equals, so your child can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would find a 7 and answer that question. And I just like the game aspect of it. It's really fun. I love the visual. It's easy for your child to understand counting and how to actually add. The other aspect to it is the minus. So you could say 5 minus 2. Okay. Then you would take 5 and you'd minus 2 of them. I guess it doesn't matter which ones, but we know that that makes a 3. So you took away 2. So now how many do you have left? 1, 2, 3. So we want to find our 3 and answer that question. So it makes it super simple and gives you a visual on how to do it. Love that. It also comes with these flashcards here that are going to help you tell time. And what it does is puts the time on here, and then it gives you an example of something that your child does every day or frequently, to give them an idea of what their schedule is. And it's probably pretty similar. So right here is you brush your teeth at 7:10. Okay, here's your clock. Let's look on the back here, and it tells you what 7:10 should look like, and you can mimic here. So they're going to learn that the small hand is for the hour, and then the larger hand is for the minutes. And that way you can kind of explain to them what this means in a clock and what these hands mean and all these different numbers. It's just a great way for them to learn. I love it. Like I said, I feel like we're already getting a ton out of it. I love the extra details that all of this has when it comes to the schedule, and the little blocks that make it more of a game, the visual aspect of the hands, because that's how we teach our children how to count. Okay, hold up a 3, now add 1 more. What does that say? So putting it into a grander scale, and they can actually be very involved and do it themselves to learn. Genius idea. Absolutely love this. I think that this is so helpful in helping teach my daughter how to count and how to do math and what this stuff means, telling time, all this stuff. I absolutely love it. Highly recommend. I think that this is going to be incredibly helpful.